All right, guys, we got the 3000 GT here.
It's a 1997. The engine's a V6. Everything's pretty stock. It's front wheel drive. The horsepower is 220 roughly. 205 torque.
Okay, and you're saying you're gonna go all-wheel drive with this and turbo it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a turbo in it. I'm gonna put a rear wheel drive from a Lancer and convert it all-wheel drive. Put the VR4 transmission 6-speed into it, swap that out, and see how it goes. See if it flies.
Okay, and so the last time I saw you, you had the interior gutted, so we're gonna take a look at that in a minute, right?
Yeah. I did everything, rewrapped the doors, painted all the fabric except the front seats. The carpet's repainted, the plastic's redone. Other than that, just the front seats and the rear seat belts, and that's it.
Okay. So, what are these rims you have on here?
They're RTX rims. They're 17-inch. I painted them matte black and purple. Nothing too fancy.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you showing us the car, and just take a look around. All right. Thanks again. All right, guys. Let's take a look at this interior here. All custom. So the last time we saw Dopey didn't have the interior in this car. Now it's looking pretty good. Wow, even right under here is all done. Very nice. Oh wow, even back here is done too. Now, what do you call this color?
It's just a purple. I don't know what color exactly. I just repainted it black and purple.
This is the Dopeys edition.
Yeah, I just splattered some paint, made it look nice. Did a little like splash, like a graffiti look. So
definitely stands out. Like, you look at the car and you don't think,
yeah,
this is in the interior, you know what I mean?
Eventually I want to do the outside real nice and colorful and stuff, so.
Take a look under the bonnet there. Oh, you even did the cover.
Yeah.
Wow. So this engine has, you said, roughly 180 miles on it.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the 220 horsepower V6. What was it? What was the other part?
SOH. So
SOH.
It's single overhead cam.
Okay. Now you're gonna stick a twin turbo or a single turbo in here?
Single turbo. With the SOH, you can only put a single.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a pretty decent sized turbo in there. Put a different transmission, different fuel injectors, fuel resignator.
So you got a big job ahead of you. Appreciate that. Looks great.